Today I'm going to teach you how to restart Microsoft Teams. This is a really useful troubleshooting step that can help resolve issues like freezing, lag, or connectivity problems you might be experiencing with the app. Let's get right into it. First, take a look at your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll find all your active applications running in the background. Look for the Microsoft Teams icon. It's usually represented by a purple square with a white letter T inside. Once you've located it, simply right-click on the Microsoft Teams icon. This will bring up a small menu with several options for managing the application. From this menu, you'll see an option that says Quit. Go ahead and click on it. This action will completely close Microsoft Teams, shutting down all its processes running in the background. It's important to note that this is different from just minimizing the window. Quitting actually terminates the application entirely, which is exactly what we need for a proper restart. After clicking Quit, give it a moment to fully close. You might notice the icon disappear from your taskbar, which confirms that Teams has been successfully shut down. This brief pause ensures that all processes are properly terminated before we relaunch the application. Now that Microsoft Teams is completely closed, it's time to open it again. You can find Microsoft Teams in a few different ways. The easiest method is to click on your Windows Start menu and search for Microsoft Teams in the search bar. Alternatively, if you have the Teams icon pinned to your desktop or in your Start menu, you can simply click on it directly. Go ahead and open Microsoft Teams using whichever method works best for you. Once you click to open it, the application will begin to launch. This might take a few seconds as Teams loads up all its components and reconnects to the Microsoft servers. You'll see the Teams logo appear on your screen, followed by the login page or your main Teams interface, depending on your settings. And there you have it, you've successfully restarted Microsoft Teams. This simple process often resolves common issues and can help improve the app's performance. The fresh start allows Teams to clear any temporary glitches and re-establish connections properly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.